Hello everyone. So on TranZact we are coming up with a new feature, that is alert mechanism. So in this particular video we will guide you that how that particular feature will be helpful to you. So first of all, you need to go in settings module. On your left hand side you will see settings module option. Please click on this. Now once I will come in settings module, here is a new option which we have provided, that is alert preferences. Click on this. Now once you will go in alert preferences, here is enable email alert, enable WhatsApp alert. Okay, so this particular alert preference will work on email and WhatsApp only. Now the number which is here, that will be from the user profile number. Okay, you can open it and you can enable it as per user as well, so that can be activated on a user level as well. Now, what options we have provided, you can go ahead and select that I agree to receive transact account related information on WhatsApp as well. Now, talking about next, what are the options which we have provided? So what are the alert types? Minimum, if suppose any stock is going below minimum stock level, so you will be getting a alert on WhatsApp and email itself. Okay, now talking about maximum stock level, if any item goes above maximum stock level, on the same you will be getting alert. Same goes in the overdue sales order, payable, overdue receivable, pending inventory approval, pending document approval, pending FG testing. Right, now here you can go ahead and set up that you want it for all data, you want it for single day, you want it for 1 week, you want it for 1 month data. Okay, now what will be the frequency? In which frequency you want the alert on a daily level or you want the alert on a weekly level? So you can simply just go ahead and make the selection on the same and can save the setting. So also, if there are any alert which is required from your end, please reach us over support chat through get help and we will be going ahead and raising a feature request for the same and will be passing on to our design and development team. I hope this particular feature will be very much helpful to you in order to manage your profile and getting alert timely. Have a good day ahead.